At the beginning of this 2024, I got the chance to be interviewed by one of the biggest advertising agencies in the world as a designer specialized in branding, and the job was located in Dubai. Oh my god, I did it. They asked me to create a logo, to rebrand a logo. So I'm super excited. Let's see how this works. So here I am working hard to make my dreams come true. This is probably the most important project I have ever worked on. Today is the day. I have the final interview. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time. What I'm gonna say right now is just a reminder to myself and the people who's actually going through a same situation. Shit happens, and there's chances that this is going to go well, but there's also chances that this is gonna end up just right here, and we're gonna have to move on with another position or another place, and we have to move on with our lives in general. It means that it wasn't your moment, it was someone else's moment. Okay, this is what I'm going to wear for the interview. Okay, you guys, I've done the interview already, and I was super nervous, man. I wanted to record it, but I forgot. The only thing I can do right now is to manifesting me receiving that message that it's all gonna be okay, that I'm gonna be working the business and I'm moving to Dubai. Oh my god, you guys, I just received a message from the company I applied for, and we are going to look at it together. This is to confirm your catch-up week tomorrow at 2 p.m. Dubai time. So we need to wait for another day. Alright, you guys, the time has come. My heart is beating super fast. I would really like to have an answer today. It was really difficult to sleep yesterday.
He was like, I was like, you should be proud of this too. This is why I'm telling you. So
I'm sorry, did I got the job? Like, what? Wait. Oh my god, did she say that I'm starting on 26th of February? Are you kidding me? So guys, let's talk about this job journey. It's been a wild ride full of twists and turns. I mean, seriously, it's been a roller coaster of emotions. Imagine packing up to move to a new country all by yourself. That was me. And it got the time to tell my family I was leaving. Leaving my family behind was hands down the toughest part. I'm a family person, I need my dose of love and support from them. Stepping away from that comfort zone, not easy, let me tell you. But hey, growth happens outside of those comfy zones, right? I've been chasing this dream for what felt like forever. And now looking back, it's like everything tastes sweeter after all what I've been through. COVID hit me hard, you guys. It was one of the roughest patches of my life, to be honest. But it was then, in the midst of all that chaos, that I stumbled upon graphic design. And let me tell you, it felt like a light in the darkness. Design not only became my passion, but it also became my escape. I poured myself into it, and it gave me that sense of peace like nothing else. Designing, it's not just a job to me, it's everything. I'm constantly learning and pushing myself to be better, because at the end of the day, I'm trying to be the best version of myself in all aspects, including professionally. And this whole Dubai thing feels like those seeds I planted 2 years ago are starting to see the light. I was that little town girl that has always dreamt of living in a big city like New York. I discovered the art of manifesting by the end of 2023. And I'm not really sure what is this kind of magic, but it works. Remember my last video? Yeah, the one where I made that vision board with Dubai plastered all over it? Well, guess what? That manifestation game is real. But it's not just about wishful thinking. You gotta back it up with action. So let me break it down. This interview wasn't some stroke of luck. It was the result of groundwork. I want to give a big shout out to Carlos. It all started 2 years ago when I opened my Instagram account. Those branding projects that I was only doing for practice, they beefed up my portfolio big time. And let's not forget all the hours I've put into learning and practicing. Without that, I wouldn't have nailed the rerun test they threw at me. When that job posting popped up in Carlos' Instagram, I was on it like a flash. And yeah, the opportunity landed in my lap, but I made it happen. I was terrified to moving into a new country all by myself. And if I had let that fear control me, I would have stepped back, and I didn't. And here I am in Dubai making this video. Like someone pinch me. It's crazy how things unfold when you put in the hustle. I'm gonna stop this video right here for now. And before ending up this video, I just want to share that dreams do come true. You need to put the effort and eventually they will come. You need to keep on creating the environment and the circumstances for that lucky opportunity to appear, and make sure that when it lands on your lap, face, and you feel that fear, don't step back. Hold on and keep on going. Otherwise, you will regret it. Please like this video if it has bring you some value. Can't wait to show you all the upcoming content I have planned for these next months in Dubai. It's all about design, personal development, finance as well, and more. So make sure you are subscribed, and I see you in my next video, my first week in Dubai. Bye!